Okay, well, let's see. We've got euro dollar and pound dollar both set up in reverse vanilla entries. Um, you can tell the reverse vanilla because the 5-minute box is on top and the 1-minute box is lower than the 5, and all the other time frame boxes, 15 and 60, are lower than the 5. So the head of the snake is turned from up to lower. This dollar yen, I'm looking to break this norm line because dollar yen up would help this euro dollar reverse vanilla come down. So now you can see we're sitting here at the 1-minute box. Euro yen is that big figure, so that comes down. That would be good. All right, this looks like it's okay. Let's sell it right here at 15. Okay, so we're short euro dollar at 15. Now what we want to see is this euro dollar start to curl over, attacking that 1-minute box, which is starting to now. We want to see its price stay under that 5-minute box. Now this dollar yen is holding under the norm line. I don't doubt that, but I want to see it bounce off the green L1 and move higher. So I don't want to see dollar yen come down. Okay, that's the dollar yen chart there. Don't want to see that come down, even though it's bouncing off the norm line. If it does come down, it's okay as long as euro yen, which is the middle chart there, comes down even faster. And the euro yen's got a lot of room to come down. You know, at least to the norm line or the 1-minute L1. So we are short euro dollar from 15, and now we're starting to get some movement. This dollar yen, I don't want to see it come down nearly as much as the euro yen does. I'd really like to see dollar yen bounce off the green line and move over the norm line, and that would cause euro dollar to come down. Now this euro yen is coming down to the norm line. That's a high probability bounce right here at the norm line with the L1 poking through. So we'll watch it when euro yen gets there, but that travel down to that point on euro yen will help drag our trade down. Euro dollar, let's see. Now testing the 1-minute box. So we want to break below that. And we also want to see dollar yen continue up. We want to see dollar yen break above that norm line, which is at about 60. That norm line at 60. You can see the slow car is being tested there at the 59. We want that to break above. That would help. Euro dollar move lower because that would be some dollar strength, and we want euro yen to come lower, and euro yen is starting to do that. You can see we're up about 4 pips on the trade. Also like to see euro dollar break into some new lows. It's testing its low area right now and testing its lower 5-minute box, so we want that to break through. Now I know the reverse vanilla seems a little counterintuitive because we're not taking clear roads, and here we go. All right, we're testing that area on euro yen. This is a very high probability for a bounce, so we'll watch it. If it starts bouncing too much, we'll maybe take something, but we're only up 7 pips on the trade, so I'd like to see if this can break lower. And notice dollar yen the whole time has been staying pretty much still. Hasn't really moved, and euro yen has come down. That's causing euro dollar to drag down, and euro dollar is now testing below the 5-minute box at 130.07. A lot of times you can get these down to the 15-minute box or even the hour box. On euro dollar, the 15-minute box is a big figure, so we'll watch it there. That's a sticky point. The hour box at 95. That would give us 20 pips there around 95. All right, now we're starting to break below the euro yen norm line. That's what I want to see. And dollar yen is still staying pretty good, supported, staying up above its 1-minute boxes, where euro yen is testing its 1-minute boxes and trying to get below. We want to see euro yen below those 1-minute boxes. And we want to see dollar yen move up. So we're, let's see, dollar yen now starting to move up, but so is euro yen. So if dollar yen and euro yen move up together, then euro dollar should stay pretty, should stay put and not move against us too much. So right now euro yen's moving against us a little bit, bounce up, but because dollar yen is moving up too, it's not, the euro dollar you're seeing is not moving up as fast. So we've got euro, dollar, yen here trying to get above its 1 minute norm line. If that happens, that's going to be a very strong signal for dollar strength, allowing euro dollar to come on down. All right, so dollar yen popping up. Euro yen testing its 1 minute band shade area. So there is a little bounce there on that euro yen 1 minute norm line with the L1, that green L1 poking through. You can see how that causes a bounce. But this white zone on the 1 minute is really holding it well and now starting to push lower. But see, notice dollar yen is still above its 1 minute norm. That's great. That's what we want to see. All right, euro dollar now finally breaking below its 1 minute norm. It's testing its big figure 15-minute area. All right, so we've got about 14 on the position. This area is going to be kind of sticky, so we'll watch it for a second. As long as dollar yen keeps pushing up, though, this is that green L1 on dollar yen is pointing up towards the norm line. If this bounces up, that's going to be a really good opportunity for euro dollar to break these lower levels. All right, and if euro yen breaks below its norm line, below 90, then that's gonna help. So if dollar yen goes up and euro yen goes down, that's a perfect storm for euro dollar, and that would cause our move. So up about 10. Just watching it here, the fact that dollar yen is above its norm line, I like, but I think that this area around 94, 95 can be attacked. And if euro dollar can get below its 1 minute norm line, then we shouldn't have a problem. Euro yen is now starting to move lower. Go ahead and put a break-even stop as well on this. I mean, we're up 10, so I definitely don't want to see this thing go negative. So let's go ahead and move our stops to break-even. So I got a stop now at 15 on the euro dollar reverse vanilla short. And if this doesn't get some traction soon, I might just take a little bit because we are at some strong levels. We're at a 15-minute and an hour box. But I do see dollar yen staying above its 1 minute norm. I like that. Here we go. We're testing this big figure, and we're at big figure. So if we don't get a little pop below big figure, then I'll definitely want to be taking some profit. But again, this euro dollar is testing its 1 minute norm as well, and if that can push lower through this, then we should get an extended move. We are sticky around these norm lines. You see the euro yen, the euro dollar, euro yen, and dollar yen are all at their 1 minute norm lines. Euro yen is trying to go lower. All right, if dollar yen can follow suit, and if euro dollar can follow suit and move lower, which it looks like it's we've got our L1 starting to point down on the 1 minute euro dollar. We're sitting here at a plus 10 at big figure, so I'm starting to be a little tempted to take something off the table if something doesn't work out soon. Dollar yen floating a little bit lower, so I want to see dollar yen up. I don't want to see dollar yen down. Wait, here comes euro yen. Okay, euro yen is dropping. Here we go. We're up 15. There we go. We're going to get below this. Okay, there we go. 6. All right, we got 19. There's 20. All right, I'm out.